It's biotin infused, B7 infused. It's a whole level number 7. It's the Edge Fixer Maximum Hold Sweet Peach. Brush.
So I'll brush all my my hair down to prep it for my edge control. Line it up. My hair is still damp when I put the edge control in, just FYI.
It's not even a lot, like.
So it literally does not take a lot to use for your edge control, and a little goes a long way. So as you can see, yep, I push those lines through, just line everything up nicely. And I'm new to recording this stuff and in this program, so just work with me. I'm trying, guys. Anyhow, but this is what I use, on a day-to-day basis. So from the mousse to the edge control, and I'm just sharing my stuff.
And that was good. Oh yeah, it's the Kiss color. I don't know if you see it. Kiss Colors and Care. It's really good.